Surfing applies many laws of physics, the most important being Newton's first law. The fact that objects in motion tend to stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force means that waves will move continuously until broken when the wave meets the ocean floor. Also, because objects at rest stay at rest unless acted on by an outside force, the surfer must paddle to catch the wave. However, a person could not possibly paddle fast enough to catch the wave, and so they must paddle until the wave passes under the board. As the wave passes under the board will begin to move down the face of the wave. This then causes the gravitational potential energy to change into kinetic energy. The change from potential to kinetic energy allows them to ride with the wave instead of bobbing up and down as the waves travel beneath the board. Also important to staying in motion with the wave is maintaining a balanced center of gravity. If the surfer's center of gravity is skewed to one side of the board too much, then the board and surfer will tip over. Also, changes in the surfer's center of gravity allow for the board to change directions while riding a wave. Lastly, it is important that the board remains buoyant. The surfboard must be less dense than the water in order to remain atop the wave. Surfboards also typically have a hydrophobic coating so that the water does not bog down the board, causing them to sink. Waves are very powerful, so it is no surprise that people have been trying for centuries to ride them to the shore as means of transportation.